Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day where I live in upstate New York, and I hope it's a beautiful day where you live too. So my son sent me a new set of Posca paint pens for Mother's Day, my son and daughter-in-law, and I thought I would do a swatch and then maybe do a couple of draw a couple of flowers. And this is happened to be my next page in my journal, and it's perfect for doing that. So this box opens up like this, and you can see it's got 15 colors, and I do have lots of other paint pens, but these are quite a few of them are different colors. Now I thought this one was the same color as this one, but if you look carefully, they are, I don't know if you can tell, but they are slightly different shades of this orangey color. And then we have two more oranges here that I didn't have. I didn't have brown, gray, or the darker purple. So that's kind of neat. I do wish they made like more greens, like maybe like a mossy green or a sagey green to go with that, but these are great, and we're going to do our little swatch test now. I have already shaken them out, so I don't have to do that online because that would take forever. But let's see. Pink. This is a darker pink. Oh, so nice when they're brand new. Purple. And I don't know. Did I just tell you? There's these two purples. They're different, slightly different shades. And that makes it nice to have like a dark and a lighter shade to when you're making flowers and stuff like that. Purple. I will give you a close-up of this when we're all done. And then red. And then we have the darker orange. And this light orange. And this is almost like a peach. I thought the other one was peach, but I think this one is more peachy. Okay. Yellow. This is a darker yellow. I also have, you see the difference in the yellows. We have a light yellow and a dark yellow now, so that's awesome. Hey, light green, and you can get these in all different nibs too. This is the medium. I do have thinner ones. I'll show you the difference. This is a thinner nib, and you can see the difference. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard for me to see it through the little screen on the camera, but this is the thin one and this is the medium one. Alright, so we got the light green, dark green. I remember to leave some space for a flower. Light blue. It's like a sky, or almost a periwinkle actually. And now we have dark blue. Brown. I'm going to do black next so it'll dry, and then I can put white on top of it. So you can see what white actually looks like. Let that dry. We've got green, or not green, gray, which I didn't have either. Oh, that's nice. And brown. The black is still a little wet, so we'll wait on that. It's kind of like almost like a brick brown. Alright, so we're going to let that dry, and while we're letting that dry, let's make a little flower. Let's do a light purple and a dark purple tulip. So we'll do this. And we'll color that in. This is sort of like a tulip, and then we'll put some, like this is the inside of the tulip, darker purple. And let's see, we need a little green here, and we'll do a stem. Leaves, I don't know what, actually tulip leaves are kind of like this, long and skinny. And let's see, and I think they start from the ground up, but let's see now. Let's see if our white works on the black. There we go. Perfect. Let's do a little light green on the leaf. I like these because you can layer the colors, and you can also, if you make a mistake, when it's dry, cover it over. Let's pretend I made a mistake here. You cover it in white, wait for that to dry, and you can cover it over again with a different color, which we'll do in a minute. But let's see, try to give you a close-up. That's that. Let's try a Black-Eyed Susan. Which are really brown-eyed Susans. We'll do this. Try to make it not quite a circle. Make it a little spiky. Okay, and now we'll draw our little petals. Okay, there we go. Probably should use the yellow, I think. I don't know. This is very orangey. But that's okay. We'll do some accents in yellow. Normally, I like to draw my flowers with pencil first. So it covers very well. I love brand new paint markers. And right now, let's let that dry. Let's go over this with, let's try a lighter color. Let's try the, maybe pink. I guess it's not really lighter, but you'll see what I mean here. See, you can't even tell that the purple was under that. So that's cool. And actually, you almost don't even need the white. But I would do a white first if you're like fixing a mistake. I would definitely do white first. Let's see. Do some little yellow accents. Okay, and now a stem. Do a light green stem. And some little round leaves. And let's do, when that's dry, we'll do a little dark green leaf veining. Okay, I'm going to write down what this is with a little black pen, not a marker. Alright, so the date is the 11th. It's 5/11/23. Gift from Jim and Jasmine. I was so excited when I opened it. When I opened the package. Okay, let's do this. Now this is where the lighter, or not lighter, these thinner nib probably would have worked better as for veining. So, there you have it. A little paint pen, Posca paint pen demonstration. I got this the other day, but the film didn't come. So when the film comes, we'll do a demonstration of the selfie. As you know, I had the little one, and I really wanted to be able to make some 4x6s, so now I can do that. This one works great, the little one works great too, but sometimes they're so small, I want a bigger picture. And now I'm going to just over here put the, where is it? I'm going to put this down, the little gift card. And I got a fortune the other day, which I'm also going to put on there and decorate it somehow. Oops. All things in moderation. Oops. All things in moderation, even moderation. So I'm going to just kind of cut this off. And I will kind of decorate this page up. Alright, so I thought I'd use this very bright and cheery paper as the background. So I'm just going to kind of cut that off right about here. And so I wanted to show you what happens to these kind of receipts. Now I put this on this tag with tape, but I put glue on the back of this pocket. And just the glue on the other side of that pocket made this turn all black like that. Anything, I guess, I don't know if it's the type of glue. It was Fabri-Tac. I don't know if other glue would do that, but that's why, and this one got a little splattered on it. That is why I always use, that is why I always use tape on those kinds of receipts. And so, I feel like I still want to decorate this a little bit. Have polka dot markers, like you can see these, just kind of, let's do some dots around this. Depending on how much pressure you put on it, you can make the dots different sizes. But there's also a little tiny nib on the other side. So, whoops, wrong one. Let's do a few more dots scattered about. Let's try, I've got a lot of pink. Let's try this color dots scattered about. And then we'll do one more color of dot. And then I think we'll call it done. These are dual tip dot markers shuttle art, in case you're interested in that. That's brown. Let's see. We don't have any blue. Let's do some blue dots. Now see, I can push down and I have a bigger dot. Let's do some bigger dots. Okay, so that is my spread for this very exciting Mother's Day gift. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that the rest of your day is pleasant and healthy, and don't forget to come back for our selfie printer unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.